Hello, time travelers.
Hello, humans.
Well, it looks like I got monetized.
Or you can get monetized.
Yeah, that's what this video is about.
Don't clickbait the viewers like that.
This is my look of disapproval.
So, if y'all haven't seen him, this is my son. His name's Charlie. He's got his own YouTube channel called Elomentoplayz, and he plays Friday Night Funkin' every Saturday night from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. about, or 11-ish. That's Eastern time.
And I sometimes do computer stuff because I have some of the same hobbies as he does because, you know...
Like father, like son kind of thing. But since I already clicked through the first part of monetizing my channel, I no longer have this menu, which is totally low res, and you can't really see it. But he sent me screenshots from his because he's getting really close. This right here says he's got 1,112 subscribers, and the minimum is 1,000. And scroll down to his next screenshot. Well, if you scroll down on in his page, it says that he's got so many. He's like that. Blah, can't talk. He's only got 1,700 public watch hours. That's for rolling 365 days, and it has to get over a 4,000, right?
It's like I can do that somehow, but I gotta just crank out a bunch of videos and
Or
not
just
run out of ideas.
Just find something everybody wants to subscribe to, like I did with Stable Diffusion.
May or may not do videos on that with AMD cards.
Yeah, I've already started testing running a Stable Diffusion with AMD. I'm not ready to make a video about that yet, but if I do get it working, he'll do videos on it too.
And I'm just gonna do really cursed images instead.
That sounds funny.
Of memes.
Like do cursed, like goofy looking meme pictures.
I'm gonna try and like get an AI model for Saul Goodman.
Oh wait, it's on my Facebook page. I have to show you this meme. It's totally hilarious. I just have to scroll back. Here it is.
Oh no.
I learned to in Paint. I'm gonna update some memes. And in Paint is a function where you can erase something and replace it with something else, or rewrite the prompt for that area. You're gonna improve their quality, right? You're gonna improve their quality, right? It's so stupid.
I stole this meme from some page in my feed. Watching the group post made it even funnier. It's a joke, guys. Don't take it seriously. I swear. Don't sue me.
Well, now we're going to play the video of me applying for monetization, and I'm going to have to blur out some areas. He warned me about it.
A lot of areas.
I originally made the video and shared it as a private video just for him to watch, but then I pulled it down just in case I didn't want to dox myself.
I just yelled at you like, take it down, I don't trust you two.
This is where the metrics used to be to see how far away you were from being monetized. If I scroll down, there's nothing. So let's hit apply now.
It's a go.
Yeah, because he was asking me to scroll down to see if what was below there.
Terms. These terms are specific to your country, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
It's based off of governed terms, okay.
Yeah, that's something I'll actually read,
When you
the
accept
terms
a
of
module,
service.
Partner earnings, revenue calculations, how we pay you, etc., etc. Either you or YouTube may terminate these base terms, okay?
Would I terminate my own account?
YouTube terms of service, which blah, blah, blah. I accept base terms. I didn't see anything standout-ish. Okay, step 1. Done! Set up for Google AdSense.
You're so bored, so you just made that sound.
I need an AdSense account. I don't know. I don't think so. With my Gmails.
My Gmails.
Gmail.
That I have to like blur out.
United States is probably the last country.
Right.
Why does all the Google UIs gotta look so stupid?
I hate Google's UI.
It looks like the Chromebook UI. I don't like it. I thought you were about to select United Arab Emirates.
Okay, AdSense. You don't make sense to me, but that's fine.
Add no sense.
I have a joke later about making sense.
Add nonsense.
I have to put in my address.
With the oversimplified people that are yellow because it's The Simpsons, apparently.
And this thing just...
Yep.
In progress. YouTube will review your channel and complies with the things. So I think that's enough. Well, all I can do for now.
Okay. Has there been progress yet?
Yeah, there has. It was only a couple days later that I got a notification as soon as I went to YouTube Studio. And I thought I would wait till you were here to do this. And I thought, it'd be even better just to record it. So Go to earn. You're a YouTube partner. You can now have 3 bananas.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. Get started.
It has wheels. Why don't animals have wheels? Jinx with the wheels.
More. I already agreed to this crap.
Yeah, that's normal YouTube revenue.
Oh, skippable video ads. How about I uncheck this one for now? What do you think? Non-skippable video ads.
Yeah, because you can't like configure it to only have 6 or 12-second ones or whatever.
And mid-roll's okay. By default, will be placed at natural breakpoints to bounce the viewer. How does it know when the breakpoints are? What I'd rather be is like
I guess when the
chapters. You know, where you tell what the chapter is, or like a card. Mm-hmm. How I'm able to go boop. It's because I put a marker in my video. This is where I want the card to be at that exact time. What I'd like to be able to do is put my mid-roll ads at a specific time, so I can have it fade to black, ad, skip the ad, fade back from black. Hey, it's future me. Check it out. I can control where my mid-roll ads go. This is exciting. This is the page where you upload the video, and I've re-uploaded a video so I can just show you this real quick. I click on this monetization tab, and then I choose on for monetization, and uncheck non-skippable ads because I don't want those. And then make sure during mid-roll is checked and hit manage mid-rolls. And then get this menu that you guys might not know this. This looks very similar to how the menu looks where you put in cards. So this is a video where I have a card that I want to put in. It runs much, much faster, and the card is right here if you want to watch that later. All I do is put a marker, and then I know the time, 15 minutes and 50 seconds and 00 frames. So I can plan them out when I'm editing my video like this. JSON extension on the end. All right. So I can have the spot where I want a skip ad in the middle at 20:41:02. I just type in 20:41:02. And you see there's blackness because there was blackness here. And if I go back, you see that. It's the same spot in the video. Lower training parameters for SDXL is what comes after. Isn't that cool? So from now on, my mid-roll ads will not be an annoying place when you're trying to concentrate on what I'm saying in the middle of a sentence or in the middle of a word. I'm going to have it fade to black, maybe have an effect, whatever, and then fade back after the ad, because this is the way.
This is the way.
Hey, it actually
would work really well.
would let me choose which videos I want ads to roll on. But I'd rather just do them all for now, because I'm pretty sure you can go back and change it.
Yeah, you will.
Monetize all. And let's see my analytics of nothing. It should... Yep, see, that's how much money I made so far since 2 seconds ago. And now, this week's tech thing. This week's tech thing is a little project that he and I were doing when I realized that he had Cherry MX Brown equivalent switches on his Redragon keyboard. They're like a knockoff version of Cherry switches.
I think it's like the Redragon Sarakura or something.
Yeah, and I was like, wait, you're playing FNF. You need linear switches, not tactile. Right?
Tactile.
So I heard that silver switches were popular for gaming because their actuation point's higher and the key travels less. And I got Cherry MX silver switches and they wouldn't fit in your keyboard. So I put them in one of mine. And just a little B-roll I shot right there. I bought a keyboard, I think December of 2020, and it started going bad. Some of the switches quit working.
The GameSir.
Not the GameSir. This is another generic keyboard.
Oh.
I thought, well, that was only $30. So I found that one that's in that B-roll was $60, but it has swappable switches. So that I could extend the life of it instead of spending $200 like on this Ducky keyboard, right? But then he found the right switches for his keyboard, and he switched out all the keys that he uses for gaming and left the rest as brown.
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna try to extend the life of that as much as possible. Like, have it last forever.
Well...
Have you heard of the
Redragon? Yeah, well, you got Redragon replacement switches, so it's not going to extend the life as much as putting Cherry MX into a key. The keyboard I have is cheaper than yours, but he said, "You ever heard of the Ship of Odysseus?" the other day. Theseus. And I was like, "What happens if you replace the keyboard shell and all the keycaps and all the switches and the PCB? Is it the same keyboard?" And now, enjoy this random thing.
Oh no.
This random thing is probably my dad sent it, and it's a picture of a semi-truck that crashed into
No, it's
a
a whole
bridge.
truck.
And it says, on the road to success, there are no shortcuts. So if anybody wants to get monetized on a YouTube channel and start potentially making a few cents a day, it's hard work. I've been doing this since December of 2019.
I was like, if you get a bunch of fire emoji, stable diffusion videos, you'll get like $30.
Right. But back in the day when I started my YouTube channel, I found out that not only do you need the 4,000 watch hours per year and 1,000 subscribers, you also need to make at least $200 of ad revenue in order for them to even pay you.
Oh.
And they don't hold on to that $200 until the next month. It's just gone if you haven't earned enough. Of course, they may have changed the policy since then.
Yeah, I had a friend that accidentally, didn't cash out their YouTube check in long enough, and it was like $230 or so.
Yeah, tears.
It's like, I was telling them to buy like a Galaxy Note 9. Well, not anymore.
Hey, if I made $250 or $300 a month, I would reinvest most of it back into the channel. And now, this week's dad joke. For this week's dad joke, I couldn't find anything appropriate to match the theme of the video, so I asked ChatGPT. I said, my YouTube channel just got monetized. I'm going to do a vlog about it. Tell me a good dad joke for the dad joke segment. And it says, sure, here's a dad joke for your vlog. I told my wife she is drawing her eyebrows too high. She seemed surprised.
It's like, how do you...
You seem surprised with your eyebrows? No. So I said, okay, try to make the dad joke related to getting my YouTube channel monetized. And it said, finally, my YouTube channel got monetized. Now I can say I'm not just a content creator. I'm a coin collector too.
I mean, yeah, you only get coins.
And I was like, what? Try again. And it made a good one this time. It said, guess what, folks?
Guess
my
what?
YouTube
Let me
channel...
say it. Guess what, folks? My YouTube channel just hit the jackpot. It's officially monetized now. I can turn those likes into dollars. Time to make sense of it all.
So check it out, folks. Anybody who's been watching my Stable Diffusion videos, this is TensorBoard. It's a way to analyze your loris and possibly other stuff, and I'm just getting into it. For example, this is a Rebecca Roman? However you say her name, I can't say people's names. Where I'm testing at different steps, and in this case, best one is probably getting over 2,000 is getting weird. So if I look over here, where's step 2,000? That's the kind of stuff I'll be discussing in a future video, so you're going to want to be described.
Described?
Yeah, you want to be described. You have to describe your prompt.
Oh.
I mean, I said it wrong. It's awkward end screen anyway.
Or is it?
Or is it? So what video should I promo?
Sir.
Like a Sir, yes. If you want to see a funny skit that he and I did together making fun of a meme from the 2010s called Like a Sir, click over here.
2008, probably.
And click over here for whatever YouTube thinks is best, and subscribe to the channel over here. And if you want to check out his channel, that'll be this button right over here. All right, thanks. Bye.
Bye.